What if I told you that in 21 days, just 3 weeks, you could go from feeling stuck in the same rut, stressed and frustrated that you haven't launched your product yet, to finally introducing your first product to the world? 2020 is the year. I can feel it. And here's how we're going to make it happen. Podia is hosting a free product launch challenge led by our Director of Creator Success, Matt Ragland, where hundreds of creators like you will work together to outline, develop, price, and launch their digital products. Whether you're preparing for your first launch or your 50th, the act of putting your work into the world is a huge step, which is why we want to give you a proven, step-by-step framework to build and launch a digital product in just 21 days. The challenge features written lessons to take you through each step of the process, links to free templates, videos, and other digital resources, and live webinars where you can ask questions and get real-time feedback. Don't let another year go by wishing you had built and launched a new course, ebook, or membership. Click on the link in the description or go to podia.com/launch and sign up for free to join our next challenge beginning February 1st. Join us and hundreds of other creators and let's launch something together. We'll see you there. We will see you there. Be there or be square. It's where all the cool kids are going. Build it and launch it and build it and launch it and build it and launch it and get that money.